Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer. Welcome back to the Serene Republic of Venice, in which we... Oh yeah, first Stellaris. In Stellaris, yes. And I was just looking at the lovely new, whatever it's called, the after-action report for one of the battles. And I was noticing that we lost 7 total corvettes, so we're going to have to build up even more than I originally thought we were going to have to. Our leader leveled up, which is good. And we have a new president. That's right. Okay, so here we are. Last episode we met the Aztecs. They're frightening. Like, they're really frightening. Yeah, they're scary. They have a better fleet than us. We just lost a little bit of our fleet, so why don't we fix that, shall we? We should do that. Build me some more corvettes. Maybe a couple of torpedo boats. Maybe just one corvette. How's that? I like one corvette. How's one corvette sound? Maybe one more. So we let time go forward, and we have some more... Oh! Hang on. Don't do that. And we have some more minerals coming our way. And it looks like this guy's going to be safe. He's researching something over here. Should be fine. Oh, we have a... Let's do crystalline entity observation. Let's do that. Yeah, so we're really just sort of exploring around, seeing what we can find, and kind of building out a little bit.
System survey complete.
And we have a lazy science ship, the Cassini. Cassini, keep going. Just keep going. Biharam's kind of dumb. We probably will never settle there.
Debris analyzed.
Hang on.
Construction complete.
Okay, first contact with the Wasegi core world. They are fanatic spiritualists. You know what that means? These guys are fallen empire. Okay, another child. Know that we are the Wasegi core worlds, the chosen people of this galaxy. Respect our holy places, and we may refrain from annihilating you. We could learn much from each other. I probably don't think they could learn anything from us, but what are you gonna do? Where are they? Okay, they're this area up here. Oh, that's fine though. So here's their thing. Do not trespass on the holy sites. Okay, that's fine. So no tomb worlds, and no Gaia worlds with the holy modifier. Cool? Cool. Yeah. Okay. And they have a homeworld called the Celestial Throne. Okay. Well, there you go. So Cassini's gonna come home. We're not gonna go that way anymore. That's fine. We'll just settle this area over here and not piss you off any. Okay. I haven't seen any Gaia worlds yet anyway, so it's fine. Now, lazy science ship. Why don't you... See if you can research that and not die. How's that sound? Oh, and second fleet is done repairing, it looks like. Okay. Okay, and okay, and okay, and... Ooh, Murano. Oh, yeah, okay. So let's get first fleet... Okay. Yeah, let's get first fleet here. Third fleet here. And actually just, Wait, what? Must be at least 2 military fleets with the same FTL file. Oh, yeah, okay. Merge these two. There we go.
Complete.
And there we go.
Special project complete.
Okay. Crystalline entities. The name itself is compromised between rival factions of something. We could get prismatic lenses modified to your empire plus 10%. What? Yeah. I think I forgot about that part. Yeah, let's get prismatic lenses. This knowledge will surely be a great boon to the sciences. Go, go, go. Go, science, go. And, it's not nearly as big a fleet as I wanted. I wanted more fleet. Oh, it's like 400. Oh, Cassini, what are you doing? Being lazy, that's what you're doing. Go up here. Survey that system, I think. Yeah, that'll be fine. I wanted to make sure that we weren't jumping in right on top of some hostiles, so we'll do that. Okay, and then come on over here and do this. And then come on over here and do that. 52% failure risk. Ugh. That's horrible. Fine. Level up. Well, I mean, you're already leveled up, but like, do what you gotta do. Okay, hang on. Never mind. Okay. Survey that first, and then I'll tell you what to do. Because what was going to happen was he was going to jump in right on top of this guy. And I don't want him to jump in right on top of that guy. So, yeah, I had over 500 fleet power. Let's build some more stuff. Let's build some more corvettes, huh? Eh? What do you say? Corvettes? There we go. 3 more corvettes incoming.
Debris analyzed.
Hang on. Galilei, what do you got? Get some more debris. And some more experience. Right? It'll level you up good. Right? Just have this one more dude to take out. I think we can do that. I think we can do that. Here we go. Yeah, the ships are being automatically added to third fleet, which is kind of silly. I mean, it's my only fleet. Wouldn't you want to just name it First Fleet? I don't know. I would just name it First Fleet. Oh, that's why nothing's happening. We're paused. That's right. There we go, 529.
Research complete. Debris analyzed.
We finished... Oh, nice. We finished Red Shard Thrower. Excellent. Okay. Galilei, why don't you... Oh, I don't know. We just send you off? I think we might just send you off. Oh! Crappy! So, here's a fun thing. Remember those folks over here that we kind of liked and we were kind of almost friends with? Yeah, they're gone. Yeah. Yep. Oh gosh. The Aztecs. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh. This is horrifying. 22% failure risk? Not yet. Not ready for that yet. Why don't you come on up here? Oh, there is no... Oh, yeah, that's right. We can't go up there. Okay. Yeah, we can't. We're cut off from a lot of stuff now. It says that you can go there, though. Oh, that goes all the way around the okay, that goes all the way around the galaxy. Never mind, don't do that. Why don't you go and survey that? I'm going to try to find out where all of our neighbors are. I have to get up in here, up into the Crossroads Nebula section. Oh man. Oh man. What do we got up here? A Skeleton. Anything interesting? We'll see. We'll see what the surveys provide.
Construction complete.
And that is our fleet. Such as it is. Come on over here. Beat him up.
Anomaly found. Research complete.
Hang on. Research complete. Observatory. Sweet action. Okay. Okay, we'll have to pull some of those in. Oh, fusion power. Oh, so good. We'll get Plasma Thrower back at some point. I forget what this one does. Plus 100% armor penetration. That's not what I wanted to do. Yeah, let's get fusion power. Let's just do it. It'll allow us to do a lot of better stuff with our ships. 6 months to continental colonization.
Updated.
We have encountered some form of aliens in the Veneto system. That's our home system, by the way. These strange objects have been tagged as new aliens until we can learn more about them. Well, and we've met in the Eartheus system. Where is that? Where is the Eartheus system? Well, first off, fleet, go here. Kill that. Science ship, where are you? Oh wow, down here. Nice. Okay. So, and then the Mu aliens are, yeah. Okay. So we'll see what happens. We'll let them talk to us. Oh yeah, that's right. This anomaly. I don't remember what the failure risk is. An artificially carved slab of rock covered in alien writing. Yep, we already kind of knew about that. Yeah, come do that. Research that. We'll survey the system first, and then we'll go.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Hang on. Oh yeah, do it. Combat. Someone just leveled up.
Situation log updated.
Yeah, and we actually lost some. Lost 2 corvettes. I wish it would tell you which corvettes. We have 5 torpedo class and 18 of the laser class. And oh, my scientist leveled up. Nice. He's probably researching something. Yeah, he's in someone else's territory. Alien space station. Tomb World. Interesting. Oh, that's a mining station. Yeah, that's what that is. So is that. Okay. Okay, where are we? Alright, this guy's gonna wanna... Okay, cool. Do some research. You heal up, and you build us 2 more torpedo boats. And a laser boat. And then, the next thing we build... I know, I said the next thing we were gonna build was a colony ship, but no. We'll do the colony ship, it's fine. We'll do it, it's fine. Oh man, at some point we're gonna have to go after this space amoeba. Is it just one thing? It's 3, okay. Research is complete. Continental world, nice. Okay, that's not bad. Form Federation, no, we don't even have an alliance yet. Naval capacity plus 10%. That's not really that big a deal. But adaptive bureaucracy will probably be good. Let's do adaptive bureaucracy. Empire leader capacity plus 2 and EDA cost minus 15%. And it's cheap. So there we go. Yeah, how did people get all the way to our homeworld? Maybe they came through here? I don't know. Transmission from the Big Blue Blob. We're receiving a transmission from the Big Blue Blob. They appear to have successfully translated our language. Interesting. Where are they? Oh, yeah. That's kind of what I figured, actually. Oh, crap. Okay. And somehow we met the Teutonic Order, and I didn't hear about it. So, very interesting. I represent the Big Blue Blob. Our elected leader, Consul Krimak, hopes for peaceful relations with your people, but know that we are more than capable of defending our way of life. You know what? We could learn much from each other. French. Yes, the Big Blue Blob. They are you-know-who. They're democratic crusaders. They are a military republic. Nice. What does it say about democratic crusaders? We'll find out in a sec. Yeah, he's not supposed to be there. Big Blue Blob. You like us by 37. Ooh, already. You're superior to us. Eek. How's alliance? They're already in an alliance. Ask to join alliance. Okay. Neutral attitude, we can fix that. Differing war philosophy, I don't know what we can do about that. Relative power of empires, we can fix that too, actually. Okay. Why do they like us? Democratic Crusaders. Oh, they love anybody who is democratic. Interesting. Xenophile diplomacy, free individualist, and we are charismatic. Okay. Well, let's establish an embassy. Okay. And then we're going to do something unusual because... Well, I'll deal with it in a sec. Actually, no. Contacts. So there's a weird sort of bug thing. I don't know if it still works that way, but let's look at ourselves here. Serene Republic of Venice. We have embassies with Castile, Big Blue Blob, and Iroquois. Okay, good. It used to, if someone that you had a thing with, if you had an embassy with someone who ceased to exist, then you would lose... You would actually lose the embassy. You had to go to someone else and recall an embassy, and anyway, it was this weird thing you had to do. First Fleet, come on over to here. Oh, you're already there. Oh, well, why don't you just merge up then, alright? And then, powered exoskeletons. Excellent. Do we want destroyers? I think we want destroyers. Ooh. Projectile defense module. Oh, mass drivers. We will get that soon, but not now. Let's go destroyers. It's time. It's 76 months. Oh my goodness. Tell you what, once fusion power is up, and depending on what comes up next, we may cancel our edict. Wow. Okay. 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 Whew. Oh yeah, hey. I know what to do. Let's get ourselves a new colony. Brand new colony. Colony ship. Oh. We have some fanatic Xenophiles and fanatic Individualists. That's interesting. We'll go with the basic ones, but that's interesting. This is new. Yeah, we've had some drift occur. Can we upgrade this? No, we don't have enough minerals. We're gonna have to start upgrading our stuff to planetary administration fairly soon. Otherwise, we're gonna have some pretty serious drift. I don't really want pretty serious drift. Okay, first fleet has been repaired, and system survey complete. And what are you gonna do? Oh yeah, go over there. Let's see what this alien mural thing has to say. There's very little there in Escalion. We will probably find a way to actually cut all of this off. And, oh wait, no, that's right. People won't be able to come at it from here. It'll basically be if Spain, or sorry, Castile, wants to settle this, they'll be able to, but that's it. Oh, Galilei, hey, don't be lazy. Oh, Teutonic Order, hey. Hey. They're also Democratic Crusaders. What? They're in an alliance with the Big Blue Blob. Can I join your alliance? Yowzers. Wow, look at that. If we can join that, we are so in. And then, the Iroquois consciousness, I bet you they're... Oh, man. There's no reason for them not to join in with that. Oh, man. I want that. I want that so bad. I want it so bad. That just means we need to, yeah, we need to build up our fleet a little bit. Whew, boy. The Teutonic Order must have gotten a, they must have gotten a, an advanced start. Although that's not entirely true. Offer trade deal. Civilian access? He'll do it, too. Border access, civilian access. For a good long while. And... give them money. Instant transfer. How much do you need? Oh wow. They just don't care. No, all my money will not make this happen. Okay. Minerals. Monthly transfer. Woo. Okay. That's a lot of minerals. But, no. We'll pull that when we actually need to get over there. We'll check out... Oh, can we do migration access? Oh, he won't do it. Due to neutral attitude, okay. That's fine. Hey, what's so special about your people, by the way? Hey, big blue blob. The French. That's right, you're strong, rapid breeders, and enduring. Not bad. And repugnant. Oops, I forgot to put that there. Tropical preference, meaning they'll never come unless we have a Gaia world. That's pretty much what that means. Are there any Gaia worlds? Man, now I want a Gaia world. Oh, man. Well, let's just let time go forward. Do we have... Oh, yeah, Galilee. Come on down to here. Oh, there is no ride available, is there? Come down to here. Survey system. Yeah, okay. Ooh, hey, colony ship. Colony ship! Let's do it. Oh, wait. No, we already have one. Okay. Yeah, okay, sorry. I'm a moron. Oh, that's right.
Special project complete.
Okay. Science officer Roberto Urbizo has managed to something, and he gains 200 experience, of course, it doesn't matter, and we get 110 engineering research. Okay. Okay. Cassini, come on down here. Finish this up. Now let's check out your route. That's just fine. First fleet. I think it's time we dealt with this. They're in our very territory. Hang on. Okay. It's gonna be close, actually. This battle.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Come on. So we start out at 585. How many are we gonna lose?
Construction complete.
516.
Research complete.
Whew! That
Situation
wasn't bad at all. Okay.
updated.
I forgot. How big was this space amoeba? Come on up here. Now go heal. Man, we're just... These corvettes are basically dispensable. Or, disposable. Okay, we only lost one. Spaceport. Build me... Hang on. First fleet. What do you got? 7 torpedo boats. Let's get a non-torpedo boat. In fact, let's get a couple. Yeah, let's just build out our fleet. It'll be great. Technology research. Oh, we have a colony ship. Okay, so fusion power is done. Ah, yeah. Ooh, physics lab. Let's do it. Hyperdrive 2 is not bad. Basic combat rolls is also pretty good, but I think physics lab 1 is good. But we are going to cancel physics research grants for right now. Situation log, we have that minor mandate, that's right. We might do that, but we are not actually very likely to do so. Not unless we pick up... Yeah, I don't know. I think we're just kind of unlikely to do so. Yeah, finish that. Okay. Oh no! We're totally gonna do it. Oh yeah, yeah, construction ship, come here. Now that this is cleared out, I have an idea. Why don't you build mining stations? That'll do the job. Okay. Yes, construction ship. You've been lazy. No more lazy. Oh yeah, we're gonna have 5 money coming out of that. And the Aztec Empire has declared somebody else as their rival. Okay, well, That's fine. That's my timer. That's my timer. I think we're going to call it there. So we've met our first, what are they called? Empire. Big Empire. What are they called? Fallen Empire. They're going to be fine with us. I mean, they actually have plus 35. Yeah, they actually don't really care about us at all. And we're just going to avoid doing stuff that pisses them off. It's really not going to be that hard. They're just certain types of worlds we don't want to settle, which is fine. At some point, though, we're going to have to go after it. And we have met the Big Blue Blob, and gosh, the Teutonic Order. Look at this! Look at this! If we can just sick the Teutonic Order against the Aztecs, that'd be awesome. They are currently... Oh, they're equivalent to us in military strength. Okay, that's a little bit better. That's a little bit better. But the French, though... Excuse me. The BBB are still superior to us. Asked to join alliance. They're cordial. So that's plus 10. We'll get them up to friendly. We'll get some stuff going that'll make them really happy with us. Yeah. I don't know what this differing war philosophy is. I mean, I know they're Democratic Crusaders. That's fine. But, oh, hey, there's Seeknor. Huh. Nice. We already found the... If you missed this, we already found the Blorg's Bane. So, good stuff. But that's the stuff. I think if we're going to have a... if we're going to have an alliance... I think it's going to be with these guys. I do not mind allying with the BBB. It's a pretty tried and true strategy, if I remember correctly. So that is the state of the world. Look at this. I want this guy on my side. Let me tell you what. But on that note, you know what? I'm going to call it there, and I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well, and I do look forward to seeing you next time.